She's lost. She's lost on land again. They lost my friend. Lost on land again.
Good morning, friends. I just wanted to give you a quick update about Lolapalooza 2022. It's going to be held October 20th through the 24th at Abilene State Park here in Texas. So the wagon wheel is booked up, but there are still plenty of sites elsewhere in the park. So if you want to come, I highly suggest that you go ahead and get on the Texas State Park website and reserve your spots. Last year we sold out the whole park, and I think that we'll probably do that again. I also wanted to let you know about the t-shirts. So believe it or not, there's a supply chain issue with t-shirts. So it's taken us a while to figure out which shirts they have in all of the sizes that we need. And it was quite a struggle, actually. So this year we're going to have two different choices. You can either get one in heather gray or in black. Let me show you why. So the black t-shirt looks pretty amazing, but it also looks really good on the heather gray. So I just love the work Blindviews did. It is so cool. He is such an awesome artist, and I really do appreciate him doing this for us every year. So if you want to order a t-shirt, they're going to be $15 for up to size 2X, and then they're $20 if it's larger than a 2X. You can just PayPal me, but be sure and in the PayPal let me know what your name is and what sizes you need and what color you want. Now, I suppose if you wanted a color other than gray or black, I could try, but again, there's a supply chain shortage, believe it or not, and it's a little more difficult this year than it has been in the past, but I will do my best. So yep, just go to my PayPal. The link is in the description of this video, and just shoot me, like I said, $15 for anything up to a 2X and $20 for over a 2X. I will be taking orders until the 1st of September, and that's about when we need to submit the order to make sure that we get the shirts in time for the event. And I will bring the t-shirts to the event to hand out to you there. So if anybody has any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, or if you want to email me, my email address is in the description of this video also. So thanks so much for watching. I'm really looking forward to the meetup this year. Hope to see you there. Till then, y'all stay lost, my friends.